right, this is Tom Eckert coming at you live, and this is normally the screen that we're in front of is for out doing UAV drone flights. So this is what you're used to seeing from Permian Geomatics, but I wanted to introduce you to our web services. There's some interesting tools that we use. One of them, this CU3. It's a way to get some images in. There's I don't know. Say we were taking these images. These are Oklahoma. Let's do all those just for grins, and that loads them up as we're looking at them here. This is enable. This is F-150. So I'll just come in here and add F-150 to this. Put the caps in it. Real simple. Just captioning basically. There's a lot of special effects that you can add, pump jacks and things like that. When you head your settings, this will be OK test 2. We'll say, I'll change the background color. You can put your own watermarks. But we would take the individual collateral that you've got and basically bump this to 2 seconds. Just speed that up a little bit, and then just use your own web collateral for being able to produce and recruit either marketing, respond to RFPs. But what we've got here then is we look at the Eckert test 2, and we come in and we find out that there is a there's probably a okay test 2 on this one. Let me just do this. Hit copy. Bring it back over to here. Get it back on the screen. Control V it. Hit enter. And this is the result that you get. Is every 2 seconds you'll see your photos flip around. This is up in Stevens County, Oklahoma. Pretty excited about that. But it's a way to take the information that you've got. There's the stakes that we've been put in the ground, and just real quickly publish this out to a web page. This is some of the HTML code that is written by a number of background programs. Some quick control over it. The little control goes into the HTML code. If you like it, you can fly through here. You can go backwards if you want. Here's the rotation, but this is all real simple code behind stuff. This is where it says F-150, our changes that we made. Porting it out, the publishing options, just amazing opportunities that you have for your own websites. So we want to be involved with the data collection as well as websites. Secret sauce is all handled by Expression Web. It's a fantastic package, and that we can do CSS, PHP, any of the Apache server necessities for MySQL. It's just amazing the control that you have over once you are using a publishing package rather than Wix or 101.com and that. So publishing out to the site, kicking it. This is one that we did for an engineering company in Florida, of all things. But what you can do is just give us a chance to respond to a bid, and you can see that these are all pre-populated with templates. You can open a new template, and anyway, that's just more of a proof of concept. We would love to be part of your next geomatics project, but just know that we'll be using different tools to publish and to kick out collateral. This is Tom Eckert. 4 minutes is up. Have a great day.